Where are we going? Where are we raising money for?
The youth camp.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Here. Huh? You don't sound too excited. Why?
Because I have to stand up.
How long have you been standing here?
10
A little bit excited. Start yelling. Come on. That's not too much excitement. Come on. Yell. Car wash. Every single car that passes by. Come on.
Car wash.
Huh? Grita, grita, grita. Car wash. A mí no, al SEMA que pasó.
No hacen caso.
All right, the morale's a little down right now, but we're doing good, all right? We're doing good, right? What's going on?
We're having a car wash to help raise money for the youth so they can go to camp and have a good time.
We have a few more of these, right?
We're going to have a lot more of these.
We gotta raise a lot of money.
These are very successful, and it's a good way not only for the kids to like work for their money, but also so the community can know what's going on with the youth.
Right? And we got a car right here. Come on. What do you think?
We're good. We're good.
Ahí va.
Yeah.
Nicole, you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
You love Jesus?
Yep.
Oh, good.
And it's the end of the world. Woo!
And it's the end of the...
Car wash is the end of the world.
Cars on the last day.
Might as well go working, right?
How often you get this at a car wash?
I think we'll get our money's worth with this one.